The name of this line dance is Sound of New Orleans. I'm going to turn around so you can see. Weights on your left, and you're going to step together, and you're going to shuffle to the side. Weights on your right. You're going to step forward with your left. You're going to do a Charleston step. You're going to do the very same thing to your left. You're going to step together, and you're going to shuffle. Step forward with your right, and do a Charleston step. So we're going to do this with a count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Here you're going to do 2 kickball crosses. You're going to kick, ball, cross, kick, ball, cross. You're going to do a back rubber box. Here, you're going to do a side together, and you're going to turn a quarter turn. This is the 2-wall line dance, and you're going to side together, and you're going to step back. We'll do it with a count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Here you're going to say 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. You're going to start the dance over, so I'm going to do it on this wall. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8.